where the Supreme Court says that it is clear that the question paper of the NEET UG was leaked. But then it also says that it has to find out whether the leakage of the question paper was so extensive, whether to order a re-examination. In fact, the CJI, D.Y. Chandrachud, says, and I quote him, "After all, we are dealing with the lives and careers of 23 lakh students." Do remember, a lot of these pleas today are being heard by the top court. A lot of these pleas are also calling for a re-examination. Bhavtosh is joining us live. Bhavtosh, this clearly tells you that there is an admission now coming in that, yes, there has been a leak. Something that you are looking at, even the government are accepting in the top court. But it's just to understand the nature, the extent of the leak, and whether that warrants a thorough re-examination.
Yes, Dipti, in fact, that's what the Chief Justice of India has said. Our legal editor is inside the courtroom of the Chief Justice of India, and what he has said is very important. That D.Y. Chandrachud has said that it is true that there is a leak in the NEET exam, but he has also said, in the same breath, he has said the fact that sanctity of exam is compromised is beyond doubt. Chief Justice of India has also said what is the extent of leak that we have to find out, what we have to be careful while ordering retests, as we are dealing with the life and career of 23 lakh students. What is the status of CBI probe? Remember, CBI has not only filed the case that was ordered by the Union of India, that center, but also has taken over cases that have been filed in various states, including that in Bihar, Gujarat, and also in Delhi. Now, these cases are not only cases of leakage of exam paper, but also of impersonation and cheating. So there are several cases that CBI has taken over. But speaking to sources, they have said that the leakage is very confined to in particular examination center or in particular state. It is not that that widespread leakage of exam paper has happened, and that's what the Chief Justice of India has said while going through the affidavits that have been filed by the state, by the center, as well as by the NTA. Now, last week NTA as well as center has said that we cannot, in fact, play with the lives of 23 lakh students who had taken the exam in May. And what Chief Justice of India has said just a few minutes back is very important, that he has said the question paper leak has happened, but we have also to look into the fact that that we are looking at the possibility of the extent of leak, and also at the life of lakhs of students, 2 million students plus 2 million students who have taken this exam. Before the hearing, after the hearing was taking place, during the hearing, he has also said that it could be possible that because the exam paper leaked, the question paper were leaked on social media, it could be possible that a widespread leak of the examination paper has happened. But he has also said that bugging of the question paper could have been done by some candidates, and it could be possible that because they have mugged the question paper, their result could not have in fact been very good.
Okay, and Bhavtosh, I do understand it's a developing story, and we have our teams both inside and outside the court to keep you ahead on every development. The CJI also says that the retest will be announced if tainted cannot be separated. So he clearly is wanting to understand the extent of this leak, how many people possibly have been affected, where all it was leaked. He's also asking how many results were withheld because of the leak. Now, Bhavtosh, a lot hinges on the hearing today, because the first round of counselling was also deferred, because the government clearly is wanting to wait and see how the Supreme Court will look at the entire issue today.
Yes, Dipti, in fact, there is a lot of ambiguity regarding the counselling that was to be held in July. As far as UGC is concerned, they have not come out officially with any statement about the counselling. They have only said that it has been postponed. There was also reports that it could have started on 16 July. Now, Harish has also updated with a very important point. He has said that Chief Justice of India has said that brings some sense of confidence to the process. Let's not be in a sense of self-denial. Now, this is very important because the center as well as NTA has completely denied. They have completely denied the fact that any leakage of exam has taken place. They have also said that it's not possible to to redo the entire exam process, to again hold the exam process. The Chief Justice of India has again said these are all verbal observations that has been made. This is not an order. He has said that brings some sense of confidence to the process. Let's not be in a sense of self-denial. He has further said that if a substantial number of 23 lakh students are involved, then also there has to be in a retest. Remember, he is asking center as to how many students are involved in this cheating and in the leakage of exam paper. Now, if we just go by what has happened as far as the investigation is concerned, CBI has arrested. If we just look at what has happened in the probe, CBI has arrested around 12 to 13 individuals. As far as the state police is concerned, they have arrested around 12 to 13 accused. Now, that is around 25 to 27 people who have been arrested as far as the probe is concerned. The Central Bureau of Investigation, which is a federal probe agency, they have said that if we look into the case that has been investigated by the Bihar police, it is a case of exam paper leak case, but in other states, it's a case of cheating, impersonation, and that of other means in which NEET exam paper was being influenced, or irregularities were taking place.
Absolutely. And even as we speak, remember, this all-important hearing is underway in the Apex Court, where point by point, Bhavtosh, the CGI is looking at how many people also got, 720 out of 720, that perfect score. He's been informed that there are 67 such students. He's looking at the pattern a lot more. So I think in the next few minutes, we could have more clarity on how the Supreme Court is viewing the entire issue. Could there be a retest, or could there be a committee set up to investigate the leak and to ensure something like this does not happen?
Continuous downpour brings life to a standstill in Mumbai. Heavy rains cause waterlogging. Several roads inundated across the city. Heavy rains create waterlogging, affected train services. Several trains rescheduled or short terminated. Heavy rains lead to suspension of runway operations at Mumbai International Airport. 27 flights diverted to Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, Indore. Passengers asked to check flight status before leaving. Heavy rains lead to waterlogging in Mumbai. Traffic officials seen clearing drainage holes at Western Express Highway near Ramnagar subway. Mumbai BMC Commissioner Bhushan Gagrani monitors situation personally from disaster control room. Emergency personnel and officers stationed at various locations. Maharashtra CM Eknath Shinde chairs high-level meeting at disaster control, says disaster management authorities, Army, Navy and Air Force are on alert. Amid heavy rains across Maharashtra, several teams of NDRF are deployed in Thane, Vasai, Raigad among other places to avert any untoward incident. IMD issues flood alert in 3 districts of Himachal Pradesh. Shimla, Kangra and Chamba may face heavy rainfall in the next 24 hours. Char Dham Yatra temporarily suspended amid rainfall across Uttarakhand. Garhwal Commissioner Vinay Shankar Pandey says Yatra has been postponed, keeping in mind safety of pilgrims. Mughal Road that connects Poonch and Rajouri in Jammu and Kashmir has been closed for traffic following heavy landslide. Supreme Court hears petitions related to irregularities in NEET exam, says sanctity of exam has been compromised. After BSP leader K. Armstrong's death, another leader attacked in Tamil Nadu. Now PMK functionary attacked in Cuddalore. 5 suspects arrested. Sanitation workers hold demonstration in Thoothukudi demanding wage hike and proper settlements of EPF. Thoothukudi Mayor Jagan promises to increase their wages. Prime Minister Narendra Modi heads to Moscow as part of his 2-day visit to Russia. Prime Minister issues statement ahead of his visit, says both countries will work on bilateral ties. Politics over Prime Minister's Russia visit erupts. INDI bloc taunts Prime Minister, claims he can't take credit for burgeoning ties with Russia. Congress leader Mallikarjun Kharge says Modi government responsible for not maintaining status quo at line of actual control, says China continues to be belligerent in constructing military base at Sirja. Rahul Gandhi visits Manipur for the first time since becoming the leader of opposition, interacts with victims of ethnic violence in Churachandrapur. Rahul Gandhi says toll numbers in Assam floods reflect the grave mismanagement by BJP's double-engine government, which came to power with the promise of a flood-free Assam. Police issues lookout notice for accused Mihir Shah in Mumbai hit-and-run case that led to the death of a woman. Earlier, Mumbai police arrested Shiv Sena leader Rajesh Shah and driver Rajendra Vidawat. Maharashtra Chief Minister Eknath Shinde assures action in Worli hit-and-run case, says miscarriage of justice is not acceptable and no influential or rich will be spared.